Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911. I'm inside an attic in Alexandria, Virginia, and the homeowner is complaining about having a roof leak, and it leaks even when it's not raining out. And here you can see there's moisture on the wood planking, but also on the ridge vent. And so what's happening is the heat inside the home, when it goes up into the attic and it meets the cold air near the ridge, condensation forms. So the insulation here is the problem, and you can see it's all old, and a lot of it's just sagging really bad. Also, I don't know if the intake vents at the soffits are open. It looks like it's closed. So for something like this, they really need to get an insulation company and suck out all the bad insulation. Before they put new insulation, you got to seal around all vents, pipes, anything that's protruding through the ceiling and into the attic. And then once everything is all sealed, then they can put the new insulation in. Again, so this is not a roof leak, this is condensation. Again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Alexandria and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.